Bless you. Daddy sent me a video where we don't take you out when you fussy. Oh. Oh. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. I think I'm doing it right. We're gonna roll out of tummy time. Roll out of tummy time. Oh, constipation. Poop, poop, poop. You gotta poop, poop, poop. Good job. I know. That was a lot. You did amazing. She's like, I want to hear. You did amazing. Mooch, mooch. Mr. Cranky Pants. Say, I don't want to do no tummy time right now. Swaddle time. Swaddle time. Just a little swaddle waddle for my little burrito. My little burrito. I just need a little swaddle waddle. What?
Doctor got this. You always want to see something. See what's coming up. This ain't for her anyway.
What? Wait, what'd you just do?
I didn't do nothing. I'm just getting spring skin.
They're beginning. I think they started upstairs. What color? Cute, guys. So as you guys can see, the middle is what it was before. Yes. Huh?
The white, you see it in the middle? I don't know which one white. Come over here, you see the beige. Or the beige.
Oh. I don't know.
Let me take a picture. See what my dad.
Beige, maybe?
Sim, faz as outras primeiro que a gente ouve o sofá lá.
Yeah, I'm kind of going either way.
I like beige. Okay guys, so this is the original color and these are the swatches so you can compare. It's really brown. We're probably gonna go with something on this end or something over here. So yeah.
I might even do all that.
What?
Porch thing. They gonna paint all that. Robots about to be made.
It's just going and going. I don't know where it's going. Look at a little heavy turn. That's so cute.
It says cute.
Yeah, a little head turn. Aw, just making my way downtown. Walking fast.
Yeah, I can tell you trying to avoid it.